today's vlog. It's going to be a very special vlog because it's our first full planning wedding of 2020 in a new norm way. And once again, this is your master of party planner. My name is Brian Manalo from Winners Catering and Events Coordination. So samahan nyo kami as we all document this whole program for this event. Samahan nyo kami guys! Tara na! Tapos na kami mag-set up. Ako nakikita nyo, nandito ako ngayon sa wedding reception ni Mandokdok Jangkot Nuptial. So, hinihintay na lang namin sila para matapos yung mass. So, right now, nagpo-practice naman ako ngayon for my hosting. Alright, so here's the first question. Okay lang ba dito tayo sa labas muna magsimula? Okay lang? Dito, later na kayo. Okay, sige, sige. Let's hear on this on this side. Okay. Guys, can you give the exact name of our couple? Does anyone know? Hindi niyo po kilala yung couple natin? Ay, yes, sir. Okay. Hi, sir. Okay lang, wala akong face mask. Okay lang, sige. Hi, sir. What's your name? Pablo. Pablo. Pablo, you must be, how are you related with our couple? Friend. A friend, okay. Now, sir, can you give the exact name of our couple?
Siya lang may Pandangwen Yangko and si Villanueva Mandokdok.
Alright, sir. Congratulations. And at table number 10, your special token from me is you're going to be the first table that I'm going to call on sa dinner natin sa main course. Okay, congratulations, table number 10. So ngayon, magpa-participate na po kayo. Sir, to follow, mamaya may special token from our couple. Oh, sige. Okay, for the second question. Magtatapong po ba kayo kung kayo po yung ano? Sige, mamaya, second kayo. Alright, for the second question. Kailan po the first meet ng ating couple? Does anyone know from this side? Dito. Okay, sige, sige, dito. Saan sila nag-meet? Alam mo, ate? Alam mo? Sige, dito tayo ngayon. Alright, okay. Table number 1, you must be the sister, tama ba?
Yes.
What's your name?
Angela Joy.
So wala po itong bias, pero kailangan natin siya. Alright, sige, Angeli, saan sila nagtagpo?
Sa BFG po.
Alright, so BFG. Okay, doon sila nag-meet as a friend muna. Tama. Congratulations, table number 1. You must be the second table that I'm going to call on during your dinner. Mga tita, dito. Okay ba kayo dyan? Ano, sasagot kayo? Mamaya. Ito, sige. Sige, dito muna tayo. Medyo malikot lang tayo sa camera. Okay. For the third question, can you give the exact endearment of our couple? Ano po yung tawagan ng couple natin? Raise your table number or raise your hand. You know the answer. Does anyone know? Ano po yung dito? Sige, let's hear from the table number 11. Hi, Mom. How are you? Alright, ano pangalan mo, Ma'am? Magdayan. Ano po yung tawagan po ng ating couple?
Beth.
Yes, Beth. Yeah, congratulations, table number 11. Okay. How about for the fourth question? Can you give the exact anniversary of our couple? Siyempre, exact, ano, date ko. Bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng idea. Is it May 7, 2016? Is it May 7, 2017? Or is it May 7, 2015?
Ilan taon na ba sila, Ben?
Sino mo nakakaalam? Ito lang, May 7, 2015, 16, or 17. Okay, does anyone know? Sige, right guess. Sige.
Nagtuturo, nagtuturo.
Mga girls dyan. Okay. Sino sasagot? Sige. What's your name, ma'am? Gian. And how are you related with our couple? Working. Okay. So, kailan po? Is it May 7, 2015, 16, or 17? 2015, congratulations! Walang kagaya-gaya, walang coaching na nangyari dito. Sabi niya, turuan mo ako. Alright, congratulations, table number 18. We must be the fourth table that I'm going to go later on. Okay.
So guys, you just witnessed our documentation for this full planning wedding of 2020, and I hope nagustuhan po ninyo ang video na ito. And for those who are interested to avail our service, don't forget to visit our FB page. It's Winners Catering and Events Coordination. Just remember, book online, pay online, and we will deliver the best catering service that you're going to have. At kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang video nito, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's Direct Brian Vlog. And of course, don't forget to hit the bell button para ma-notify ka para sa aking next video. And once again, my name is Brian Manalo from Winners Catering and Events Coordination. Let us all celebrate the winning